That's all guys know how to do, is open the throttle. Soft corners, they can't make it through them without coming to a stop. I see it too many times. And that's why when you look at the crash statistics, it's guys who cannot, they crash in the turn. That's where they're crashing, in the turn. This road is hella bumpy, so I don't want to do any extreme passing. And you only get a small window to pass. Unless I do some hooligan stuff, which I'm trying to refrain from. That would have been it right there. I don't want to break into their group. When I pass, I want to pass clean. I guess maybe I can just pretend to be in their group. I've never been on this road, so I'm not sure where this is going to take me. I don't know why this guy is riding like this. He's got on jeans. Probably not riding jeans. Jeans and some work boots and a pleather jacket. Killing the turns for me. The turns is where I live. He's killing it for me. Doesn't even have the decency to let us around. Well, I don't mean let, but you know, signal us. Come on around. There's a stop sign. I'm trying to be a good citizen. Their leader told us to let us go. That guy was terrible. Did he continue to follow us? What happened there? Why did he break off? He's not even still behind us. Difference. These two guys know what they're doing. This is some beautiful ride in here too. This helmet is uncomfortable. I think it slides down on my forehead. It starts to press into my forehead. This road is supposed to be taking us to Route 1. Probably end up somewhere in Ashland, Fredericksburg. So what to do if you see some loose gravel in the turn? Well, don't brake. Do not brake on it. You want to try to straighten up a little bit if you can. If you can't, counterbalance. Get your weight on the top of the bike so if the bike slides, your weight under it won't cause it to low side. Kind of just ride the slide. Dude, what the fuck? So we're just talking about gravel. This guy comes to a stop for the gravel, which freaks me out because could have ran into him. You know, I don't need you to tell me where the gravel is, dude. I need you to ride your motorcycle. That's what I need you to do. I need you to ride your motorcycle. So that's why you kind of don't want to really group ride. That's why I ride by myself. That was silly. It's not your job to look out and ride my ride. It's your job to ride your ride and ride it. There was debris in the road, but there was plenty of room for me to get around it if you're not in the damn way. So this is the second time you and my riding partner have ridden together. And I'm wondering if he's going to ride with me again, since he sees how I lead the ride. What do I think I've done wrong so far? I don't know if I was to critique it. I'm riding aggressive. I mean, I'm riding spirited. I don't think I'm riding stupid. Otherwise, I would have passed that one guy. But